Do you think I should do funny like this, where I do the clapper, so it looks like a failed video? Okay, hello and welcome to Sour Pancakes. I'm not gonna be all fast forward. I'm gonna be. Then I just fall. That's gonna be funny, right? Hello and welcome to Sour Pancakes. Today I'm going to be showing you my bow here. It's a Bear Brave bow, and I'll tell you more about it after I tell you how I got it and, got into it. So when my dad was away, my mom took me to my friend's birthday party. We did an archery there because it was an archery place. And I didn't get bullseye on the target, but it was really cool. And, I got to see other friends. And after that, we got to go have pizza. We ate pizza, my mom was there. And we ate pizza, drank water and stuff like that. And then when my dad got home, he bought this at the place where he was when he wasn't here. And he bought this bow, which is really cool because it shot through metal. And I was trying to aim for a cardboard box, but I missed, and it hit metal right through. Then we put chairs next to the metal so it would hit the chairs and bounce off, which we thought. But it went through the chairs into the metal, so that was a fail again. And I just wanted to show you it a little today. It's really cool. See, these are the arrows. I'll get one out for you so you can look at it. I know, they don't look that sharp. Look at this, it's not that sharp. I'll put it in here. I won't fire it today, guys, but I will soon. You'll see it, guys. This is it, my bow, and it has an arrow inside. And that's all for today, guys. And if you enjoyed, like and comment I liked, or subscribe and comment I subscribed, or do both, saying I subscribed and we'll announce your name in one of the other videos. I'll make a part 2 about my bow where I'm actually shooting it, and since we didn't really get to that today, hope you enjoy. Check out some of my other videos later. See you soon.